Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate proposal creation with Proposify, full guide step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Proposify website. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up to create one. Once you have logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can see various options for managing your proposals. First, click on templates in the menu. This section allows you to create and edit proposal templates. To create a new template, click on the New Template button. Choose a layout that suits your needs from the available options. Start by adding a title for your proposal template. Next, you'll see options to insert text, images, and other content blocks. Drag and drop the content blocks to arrange them as needed. Make sure to customize any placeholder text with your own information. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click on Save to store your template. After saving, you can access your templates anytime from the Templates section. Now, let's move to the proposal creation process. Click on Proposals in the main menu. Then, select New Proposal to get started. Choose a template from the ones you created earlier. This will pre-fill your proposal with the content you designed. Next, customize the details specific to this proposal, like the client's name and project information. Add any additional sections or information that may enhance your proposal. When you're ready, click on Preview to see how the proposal will appear to the client. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once you're satisfied, click on Send to deliver the proposal to your client. Enter the client's email address and add a personal message if desired. After this, hit the Send Proposal button. Now you can track the proposal status from the Proposify dashboard. You'll receive notifications when the client opens and views the proposal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.